Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this mascara. It's from Marc and it's the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. And I just got this in my June 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box, which if you have not seen that unboxing video yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But gosh, this mascara sounds like exactly what I look for in my mascaras. Super volumizing, gives that falsy effect. It retails for $27, which is not cheap for a mascara. And so it says, experience ultimate volume and the look of thick, false lashes. Yes, please. The lash maximizing curvy brush places the most volume at the hard to reach center lash line, and the defining tip styles lashes. Sounds pretty cool. This mascara's ultra concentrated black pigment delivers the greatest impact, and the Flash Volume Complex creates instant smudge-free length and volume in 3 strokes or less. So that's a very promising description. And I really like the packaging on this. I think it looks very luxurious. So let's check out that wand. Yeah, it's definitely interesting looking. Like it kind of looks messy, the bristles, like varying lengths. It's almost an hourglass shape, but barely. Here's what it looks like. It's definitely not what I was expecting. I was expecting maybe longer bristles, but okay, let's go ahead and I'll apply it to one eye first to really see that difference. Well, it definitely does seem like a thick formula. So it does give some immediate volume to the lashes, which is good to see. But I definitely don't feel like the wand is really getting every lash. I feel like I have to kind of take the tip of the wand and go over certain areas where when I brushed through it, it just didn't really coat the lashes. But so far, no clumping and the lashes are staying separated. And this is pretty good volume for just the first application. I'm definitely going to layer it up, but let's go ahead and see how it is on the lower lashes. It's okay on the lower lashes, especially because it is more of a smaller wand. It makes it a little bit easier to get these lower lashes. So on the lower lashes is where I'll definitely be able to test that smudge proof claim, because usually as the day goes on, if a mascara tends to smudge, it'll smudge like right on my under eye here when I smile and like my cheeks lift up. That's where I can really see any smudging. But I am liking this as a lower lash mascara so far. I feel like it is giving some good volume and defining those lower lashes pretty nicely. But now let's go in with another layer and see how it builds up on these top lashes. Yeah, it layers up pretty thick layers. It's not as dark black though as I would have expected. It's almost like a gray black color is how I would describe it, but I still like it. And it's definitely adding volume, but it's almost such a thick coat, like so volumizing that it makes the lashes start to stick together, which I definitely don't like the look of the lashes being stuck together. I prefer them to be more fanned out, separated. So it's true, you really don't need to put on too many coats to get so much volume. And I really should stop here because it's just going to start making the lashes stick together and clump up. But that is very impressive volume. It actually really is giving that kind of falsies effect. I'm just trying to make the lashes a little bit longer though. It's not super lengthening, but definitely extremely immediately volumizing. Like, that is a dramatic difference. I'll do a zoomed in view so that you can see it as well. I have to say, I am very impressed by this. It definitely doesn't curl the lashes. My lashes are looking pretty straight out, but just look at what that did to the eye. It just made the eye look so much more glamorous, and all it is the mascara that I'm wearing on my eye. Like, that is very impactful and bold. Exactly what I want in my mascaras. Let's go ahead and apply it to the other eye. It's not my favorite wand just because I do have to spend time going over the areas that it misses, but overall it's not very messy, which is great. Like, it's not really getting on my eyelid or my under eye. I love to layer different mascaras, especially because I have so many mascaras in my collection, and I just feel like this is going to be the perfect mascara to just add so much volume and amp up the lashes after applying a more lengthening, separating type mascara, because those are the qualities that this one doesn't really have. But if I layer this with the mascara that is doing that, I feel like the lashes will look phenomenal. All right, and now my mascara is applied, my finished look, and I am so impressed with how this mascara transformed my lashes to make them look so bold, volumized. Seriously, I love this mascara. And I have tried out so many mascaras, and this is seriously one of the most volumizing mascaras I have ever used. So definitely let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in the comments down below if you've tried it out. And also, I'm very curious if this is going to be smudge proof. So I'm going to update you in the description down below on my wear test if it does smudge on my under eye as the day goes on. Right now it's not smudging yet, but usually it does take a while for me to actually see that happen, so I will definitely keep you updated. But overall, so happy with my Boxycharm premium products so far this month. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.